Guys, taking here today is a video on how to complete Sweet XP Normal with only 3 cats. You get all you need is Eracer, UFO, and Crazy behamat. First, spawn one Eracer so you can stall the goalie. Spawn a UFO cat as soon as you can. Spawn, and hope your first one doesn't die. If UFO can stay behind the Eracers, you can just shoot them down. If you just tactics spawn UFO every now and then, we need behamat soon. We need behamat during the big bosses scene. Also, apparently in 5.10 they're going to add Shibis, which are going to be like deadly. If it's a alright, so the hardest stage was Master A, then it's Professor A. What could be more dangerous than that? Double difficulty? Oh gosh. Now I have to panic. Spawn Eracers. It's not worth spawning the UFOs. Kangaroos, UFOs are not going to help because they're going to get one shot. You're going to die straight. Well, you should at least have a 20 plus 7. At least a level 27 UFO. My UFO is at level 27, but I don't know if it actually is a good tactic. When I show those big guys, they're gonna... Oh! Okay, here's a little fact. Is that actually a teacher bear and of the bond don't have more range from behamat? They have less range than him. This is why you need a cat spam. Also, he'll one-shot your behamat. Also, guys, here's a little note. There was a diorama's glitch back in the old days. Back in 5. They had when they had 5.9, the extra update was to fix diorama's hitbox glitch, where his hitbox was his body and meant to be his shadow. It's actually a hitbox for his shadow. Also, I'm wondering. Yay! No, XP! No! Alright, that's how you do good.